All right, folks, JSON isn't just some fancy tech jargon. It's the unsung hero of data exchange. Think of it as the courier that delivers data in a lightweight, readable format. And yes, it's everywhere from APIs to databases. In DataStage, JSON helps us structure data efficiently so things don't get messy. Let's unpack why it's such a game changer. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Ever tried organizing your closet? JSON works the same way. Everything has a label and a place. It uses key value pairs to store data neatly, allowing for arrays and nested objects. Plus, it's a universal format that different programming languages understand, making data exchange smoother than your morning coffee run. Imagine trying to decode an ancient scroll. Without JSON, data integration can feel just as confusing. With JSON, everything becomes structured, easy to read and debug. Whether you're working with structured or semi-structured data, JSON streamlines processing in DataStage and plays well with other tools. It's basically the data whisperer. Think of the JSON Parser Stage as the translator in the world of DataStage. It takes JSON data and makes it digestible by converting it into a tabular format. Whether your JSON data is a simple one-file input or a complex hierarchy, this stage ensures everything is structured for easy processing. Configuring the JSON Parser stage is like setting up a coffee machine. You need to specify the right inputs to get the perfect brew. Define the schema, select the document root, and ensure nested objects are parsed correctly, and voila, you have structured data ready for action. Defining the JSON source is like picking the right ingredients for a recipe. You need to know where the data comes from. Whether it's a file or database, keeping the format consistent and validating data integrity ensures smooth processing in DataStage. Using single file input is like ordering one pizza instead of a buffet. It's straightforward and gets the job done for small datasets. Just define the schema, load the file, and let DataStage do the rest. It's efficient, quick, and perfect for simpler JSON structures. When handling multiple JSON files, file set input is your best friend. It's like managing a playlist instead of a single song. Set the document root, ensure consistency, and DataStage will efficiently parse large-scale data without breaking a sweat. Selecting the document root is like choosing the perfect starting point for a road trip. It helps filter relevant data structures and ensures accurate parsing in hierarchical JSON data. Nail this step, and DataStage will navigate smoothly through complex JSON inputs. Defining a schema for JSON is like setting ground rules. It ensures consistency, makes validation easier, and structures data efficiently. Without it, you're basically navigating a maze blindfolded. Get your schema right, and DataStage will thank you. Ever tried fitting a square peg into a round hole? That's what happens when JSON data isn't validated properly. Schema validation keeps the structure in check, while type validation ensures numbers don't end up as strings. Value validation ensures data accuracy, and custom validation, well, that's your magic wand for unique needs. Trust me, skipping validation is like building a house without checking the foundation. Ever had a JSON parsing error ruin your day? It's like baking a cake and realizing the oven's off. Graceful error handling prevents crashes. Logging makes debugging less painful, and clear error messages save users from pulling their hair out. And fallback mechanisms. They're your safety net when things go south. Handle errors wisely and you'll avoid digital disasters. Let's talk speed. Streaming parsers handle large files like a pro, while cutting out unnecessary steps makes things run faster. Caching parsed data keeps things efficient, and optimizing memory usage prevents your system from crying out in pain. Think of it like driving a sports car: trim the excess weight, fine-tune performance, and hit the fast lane. Processing JSON can be smooth or chaotic. Let's aim for smooth. Stick to standardized formats so everyone understands your data. Lightweight libraries keep things swift, and avoiding deep nesting prevents future headaches. Oh, and security measures. If you don't want surprises, make sure your JSON processing is fortified against attacks. JSON is everywhere. APIs communicate using it. Configuration files breathe flexibility into applications, and microservices couldn't talk without it. Even logs use JSON to stay organized. So next time someone says JSON isn't important, just show them their entire digital life runs on it. Alright, quick recap before we wrap up. Validation keeps your data sane, error handling prevents catastrophic meltdowns, optimized parsing boosts efficiency, and following best practices makes life easier. Master JSON processing, and you'll save yourself from unnecessary headaches. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.